Are you ready?
Alright, let's get some lights on in here. There we go. This is the Holiday Inn Manchester Airport. It's just located near Terminal 2. And I've got to say, this is very swish for a Holiday Inn. I have never done Holiday Inns for a long time. We've got a little wardrobe space just when as soon as you come in. And if you open this, we've got down at the bottom there, we've got a safe. We've got some extra towels. We've got a hairdryer, iron, hangers, ironing board. It's very, very swish. Also got a little spot for the luggage. And in here is our bathroom. Got the standard bog, some glasses there, and also if you've forgotten something, they'll sort it out for you. We've got Urban Skincare Tonic Hand Cleanser with ginger. That's gonna be nice. You got a sink. I think we've got some extra tissues in there as well, and a mirror. And some more towels are located underneath there. Now, I've never seen this control for a shower before, but look at that. You use the handles and you can choose if you want the big... God, I thought I was going to go off there for a second. But you can choose if you want the handheld one or the 24 shower, which is really good. And we have, again, Urban Skincare products as well. It's actually a really nice sized bathroom, actually. Really impressed with it. So coming back out here, we've got this big couch area as well. When I did look at this, we thought we wouldn't get one with a couch, but according to photos, but we got one with a couch, so this is really nice. I like these lights up here. These lights are very nice, and if you use this little knob, normally it'll come on. But they're not coming on. I'll look out work them afterwards. We got the bed as well. The bed looks very comfortable, I must say. It's really, really comfortable. We've got this nice painting here. We've also got like teas with some bottle canned water as well. English teas, Tetley tea. I like they also got little mats underneath them as well. Just so you're on aware as well, guys, I am a IHG Rewards member as well. So when they checked us in, they gave us this. Doing this as one-handed is very hard. There's a little card here as well, so that I'm a club member, and obviously I get these benefits include a stain. But look at the key cards, guys. The key cards are like actual recycled wood. It's so nice. We've got a little desk area for working as well, and we also got a TV there as well. The view, it's not a very good view. It's a sort of good view. Got the Ibis Budget there, just across the road. If you want to check out the stays in the Ibis Budget, I have them on my channel. I'll link them in the video for you. Overhead, you can see the other hotel, which is the brand new Tribe Hotel. Now, I am going to be staying at the Tribe in October. So be sure to check out that review when that gets published. So that's not going to get published until October. So we're going there in October. And also in the distance, on over that side, you can see the Doubletree. Again, I have reviewed the Doubletree. So if you want to check out the Doubletree review, I'll leave a link in the video for you so you guys can check it out. But sweet dreams start here at the Holiday Inn. Let's go do a bed test. I'm eager to try to see what this bed's like. I know it's Hypnos bed, so it'll be really interesting to see what they've got. Alrighty, let's do the bed test, shall we? I am eager to see what the bed's like here, shall we? Here we go. Ooh, it's nice. It's very, very nice. I absolutely love it. It's very comfortable and very springy as well, because we are going to Los Angeles tomorrow morning, and it's a very early start. We have to get up at like 2:45, 2 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Well, actually even early, because we're going to be at the airport for about 5 to 3 in the morning, because we have to check in early. But would you stay here at the Holiday Inn? I'll get some shots of the lobby and all that later on. But that's the holiday for you here at Manchester Airport. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. See you. Bye.